We're from Old Pana in grade 12. I'm Yakira Gasner. This is Avivina Siri.
I'm Sarah. I'm Rivka. I'm Chanahara.
And this is our safe, the bomb. Our safe has to deal with the principle of vibrations. In order to open the safe, the crackers are given a toothbrush that is an electric toothbrush, and you use the vibrations from the electric toothbrush in order to open the door, which has a bolt on the end of it. The vibrations from the toothbrush transfer into the screw in a vertical and horizontal motion and combine in order to create an elliptical motion to take off the screw. Once the door is open, you have access to 2 sets of speakers. If you switch the wires from the speakers, it acts as a noise cancellation, and you can hear a beeping that has been going on in the safe the entire time, which is the code in order to unlock the bomb.
You can hear the cancellation under it. And you can hear the code.
And you just open it.